Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a title under your Instagram name on Instagram, of course. So go to your profile, edit profile, and you are going to switch to professional account. Press continue. And here is where you can add the title. For instance, if you are an artist, you can choose that. Maybe you are a writer. I'm just going to choose writer. And then don't forget to enable display on profile so people can see. Press done and press OK. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!